It's a big box so that your goggles are very well protected. Looking good. So now we finally got started with the Hohem mics. We can continue the unboxing journey from CES. Next on the list is the Holoswim 2. We saw these augmented reality goggles at CES. We are personally very interested in swimming, and especially myself, I'm an enthusiast for challenging myself to do more triathlons. I'm a very bad swimmer, so I really hope this little gadget will help me on my journey this year. So let's unbox it now. All right, look at this box. Damn, it's a beauty. So first of all, as always, we have the manual, an anti-fog guide in English and in Chinese. So just for those bilingual people out there, charging guidance and a general manual. It's a big box so that your goggles are very well protected. Ooh, yeah. Look at this. Wow. I'm really looking forward to give these babies a try next time we go swimming. They have a protective film, so you have to remove that before you jump into the water, because otherwise you won't really be able to see well when swimming. So we'll just remove those already. That's a nice sound. Yeah, look at that. So you can see where they installed the augmented reality. There's an additional mirror here inside the right eye of the Holoswim goggles. Here are the different buttons to adjust the settings of the augmented reality, and you can even have a better look inside. So this is the part of the Holoswim goggles where you will be able to measure in real time your performance while swimming for your life in swimming pool. Quite big, but you can loosen it or tighten it as you want. So it's for each face their own, and there's additional bridges for everyone's type of nose. So you have a large, medium, extra large, and currently the small is already installed. Then there's the charging cable. So yeah, I think let's go charge it, test it out in the upcoming days, and I will get back to you how it looked like. So Marie is our model for the day. She's gonna try on the Holoswim goggles to augmented reality for the first time. Look at that beautiful face. Ooh.
I would medium it.
Yeah, I think so too. Because you're yeah, you definitely need medium. So based on Marie's tests, we will already exchange the nose bridge, at least to medium for her, and I think for myself we will probably need a large. We got the first part of the bridge off. It's not that easy, but the bridge needs to be well protected for your nose, so it's actually a good thing that it's not very easy to take off. Yeah. So as you can see, the bridge is protected by those two little hooks. All right, so now we're gonna put on the large nose bridge. Putting on the nose bridge though, luckily, is a lot easier. Up, look at this. Quite easily mounted, and we're good to go into the pool. Let's put the Holoswim for a test. Looking good. Holoswim.